Tired of your phone dying? Today, we're diving into the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger, your ultimate power solution for 2025. This powerhouse boasts a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, meaning it can fully charge your iPhone over 6 times, perfect for long trips or busy days. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge speed. And with dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, sharing with a friend, or charging your phone and tablet at once. Unlike generic power banks, the PowerCore 20,000 is built with premium components and multiple safety features, ensuring reliable performance and peace of mind. For anyone searching for the best portable charger or a reliable power bank for travel, this Anker model is an absolute game changer. Imagine never having to stress about low battery again, whether you're camping, commuting, or just out and about. If you're ready to upgrade your charging experience, check out the Amazon link in the description below to grab your own Anker PowerCore 20,000. This is truly a must-have gadget, a top contender for the best electronics of 2025, delivering exceptional value and unparalleled power. Don't miss out on staying charged. Click that link and let me know in the comments if you pick one up.